Hello Dyson, welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. Okay, let's get started straight away. Well done, by the way, on your hot tasks, your cold tasks. You did a very good job. There are a few things though that we now are going to be practicing. Okay, so the first things first. Can you pause this video and record yourself counting to 50? So from 1 to 50, this 50, okay? You could do it by doing 50 star jumps if you want to do that, or you could find and count 50 different things in your house. That's a lot of things. And also, to check you're not missing out any of the numbers, this video down here is the number song, okay, from 1 to 50. So if you'd like to watch that as well, please do. Okay, pause me now and record yourself counting to 50. Well done. Okay, so we'll be doing things with numbers to 50 today. 50. Okay, we're going to do a few questions together and then I'm going to give you just a couple of questions to do on your own, okay? Now, here is a grid of numbers. That's our numbers from 1 all the way to 50. Do you see? Lots of numbers, right? Okay, my question is, can you find the number 10? Maybe take a picture of yourself pointing to the number, or just point to the number 10 so an adult can see you pointing to the number and check if it's right. Okay? Can you point to the number 10? Well done if you pointed to that one there. We know the number 10, don't we? Okay, can you find the number 20? Okay, my turn, your turn. 20. Fantastic. Can you point to it? Well done if you pointed to that one. Fantastic. Okay, my turn, your turn. Can you point to the number 30? 30. Can you point to it? Which one is it? Fantastic. That is the number 30. Okay, can you point to the number 40? My turn. 40. Your turn. Can you point to it? Which one is it? Well done if you said it was that one there. And the last one, can you point to the number 50? 50. Okay, point to it. Well done if you pointed to that one there. So we know which number 10 is. 20. We knew those ones already, didn't we? 30, 40 and 50. Well done. Okay, now how many counters do I have here? Maybe on your whiteboard, actually, it would be a good idea if you paused me and can you count how many counters I've got here? Okay, I have. That's a good question, actually, before we count them, if you haven't already. We could count them in lots of different ways, couldn't we? We could count them one at a time. So we could go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Or we could count them by knowing that we have 2 full tens frames. So that means we have 20 and then 21, 22. So well done if you said we have 22 because we have 10, 20, 21, 22. There are 22 counters. Fantastic if you wrote that down. Okay, now I've got a lot of jelly babies here. No, little teddy bear babies. And I need to organise them. How could I organise them? I know, I'm going to put them into tens frames. So, are you ready for the magic? Okay, I'm going to put them into tens frames. Ready? Poof. There we go. How many teddy bears do I have? Let's count them in the same way that we counted the last ones. Write on your whiteboard how many you think we have, and then I'll count them with you. Pause me. Okay, let's count them. So we have 1 10, so 10. We have 2 10s, 20. And then we have not quite a full tens frame. So let's count that one individually. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There are 27 bears. Well done if you got that right. Okay, here is another grid with the numbers to 50. This is going to be a little bit trickier though, okay? Can you find the number 33? 33. If you don't want to point at it, can you write the number 33 down? Well done. Can you find the number 46? If you don't want to find it, write it down. What does the number 46 look like? Next one. Can you find the number 28? What does the number 28 look like? Write it down if you know what it looks like. Can you find the number 15? We know what 15 looks like, don't we? Write that one down. Just on your whiteboard, it doesn't need to be on paper. Okay, are you ready? This is a tick or fix situation. If you wrote these down, the number 33 is that one there. So it's a 3 and a 3, 33. Okay, give yourself a tick if you got it. The number 28. Oh, no, 46 first, sorry. 46 looks like that. A 4 and a 6, 46. Well done, give yourself a tick if you got it right. Change it if you didn't. 46. What does the number 28 look like? Let's have a look. 28 looks like that purple one there. A 2 and an 8, 28. And we all know what the number 15 looks like, don't we? Give yourselves lots of ticks if you got those right. Well done. Okay. One of the last things we're going to do before you do a couple of questions on your own is we're going to count. Can you count from the number 19 to the number 33? Should we do it together? Okay. Ready? 19, 20, 21, follow along on the track if you need to, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Did you do it? Fantastic. Okay, now it is your turn. Well done for doing those counting questions with me. Here is number 1. Okay, so you need you to write the number 1 on a piece of paper. And then I'd like you to tell me how many sweets there are in that first part of the question there. Okay, pause me and count them. Okay. Part B of the question, it says how many sweets are there? This time they're in tens frames. Can you count them for me? Pause it now and count them. Okay, part C is a bit of a strange question, but I'd like you to write an answer if that's okay. Which of these two questions was easier to count? Was it easier to count all of those all of these ones up here? Or was it easier to count these ones? I'd like you to write which one it was easier to count and why it was easier to count. Okay, write that down now and then we'll do the last question. Here is the last question. It says, draw counters to show how many pencils there are. Okay, so you need to draw 2 tens frames, and then in those tens frames you need to draw counters to show how many pencils there are, just there. Okay, pause me now and do that. Well done. And B is the final question. It says, complete the sentence. There are blank pencils. How many pencils were there? Write the number for me. And here is your challenge, year 1. You do not have to do the challenge, remember that. But if you would like to challenge yourself, here is the question. If Sam puts these numbers in order, starting with the smallest, which number would be in the 4th position? Say that one more time. If Sam places these 5 numbers in order, starting with the smallest number, which number will be in the 4th position? Well done. We're all done. Fantastic counting today. Counting to 50 does take a long time, doesn't it? Okay, keep practicing that counting because we're going to need our numbers to 50 a lot. Okay, right, well done, Dyson. Post your work on Tapestry. Don't forget. Bye.